Hi traders, how are you? Today we will trade on gold. So we will trade based on base breakout strategy. First of all, we have opened our layer. Basically, price here formed a good upper base. We can say that it formed a resistance area that is good one. Then break that upper base. So that's our first confirmation. Then it also made lower base. So price made upper base and lower base. So it's continuation setup, rally base, rally setups. That's the full structure of rally base, rally setup, and it's a low risk setup because it's a continuation setup. Price is in uptrend, so we have opened our layers. Now we can wait for price react. By the way, you can join our Telegram channel. We share educational stuff related to Forex and daily mapping. The link is in description. And Alhamdulillah, price react very well and it reached to our TP as we were expecting. Price fly within no time, so we can close our trade here, then wait for another one. That's a good entry and good trade. Now, if we see here, price made a blind spot buy structure. First of all, let me show its formula. That's a blind spot buy. Price first made failed engulf, then second point is significant breakout, and third point is our entry point. So we have entered our trade as price reached our entry point. So that's a good setup. Blind spot is too much powerful. For confirmation, there is also bullish engulf on M5. So we have opened our trade. Now we can wait. By the way, blind spot is low risk setup and it's a continuation setup. So continuation setup are low risk setup, but they react a little bit slow as compared to QMR and QMM, which is Cosmodo reversal and Cosmodo manipulation. So in continuation setup, you can go with full margin. I always told in Telegram group that's our target profit area. When price reach there, we can close our trade because price can reverse from there. There is supply zone, so that's our we can say that roadblock basically is setup against setup. So we have marked our TP zone. When price reach there, we can close it. And if we see here price make a little bit rejection, we can say that price reverse, or we can add layers from here. That high risk, but we have to take because we are expecting price can fly anytime. It will reach to supply zone, or we can say drop area. So that's our basic target area. And if we see Alhamdulillah price going well and it almost reached to our TP zone, but we will close our TP zone. That's it. Alhamdulillah price reached there, so we can close our trade. That was a good trade, by the way, and we can close here. Now moving forward, we can open our third trade. First of all, we have to open our layer, then I'll explain the setup. Basically, price here formed a good reversal setup, which is rally based drop setup. So first of all, it made lower base. That's a good lower base. Price made support zone area, then break it. Then it also make upper base. So price make rally base drop setup. That's a reversal setup. That's our TP zone, TP1 and TP2. We can close our trade here when price reach there. So reversal setup is little bit risky, but it can react anytime. It can react in two ways. First of all, it can react fastly, then continuation setup. Second, it can react normal. So in this setup, price react too much quickly and it's moving to our TP1. So here we can close our TP as we have achieved our target. I hope you like the video. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz. Take care.